everyone, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can make Zaatar Roses. You can call it Zaatar Roses puff or Zaatar bread. Looks like roses. Is so beautiful. Here I prepare some and I'm going to show you the rest. Look at these beautiful roses. They're filled with Zaatar. By the way, I'm going to put a link down in the description, also at the end of this video, how we can prepare this soft and beautiful dough. And let's get started. So today I'm just going to show you the idea or the way how we can prepare these. We need half of this dough and I'm going to do it like so, and we need a circle cutter. Okay, and also I prepare some za'atar mixed with olive oil. Also you can just mix it with vegetable oil, it's up to you. Okay, make sure that the dough is thin, not very thick. Okay, here we go. So I have to be like so. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cutter and then we need for each rose three. So I'm going to make out of these 3 dough, I'm going to make 2 roses. Okay, so let me show you closer. Alright. Okay, first I have these 3, so I'm going to put the first one here and the second one here and then the third one, so like so. Okay, now I'm going to take the za'atar mixed with oil. I'm going to take like 1 teaspoon would be enough, and then put it in the middle like so. Just make small line. Okay, this will be enough, don't put too much. Here we go out. So start to roll it like so. Keep it neat from here and the other side. Okay, just roll it like so. See, from here just make it like this to make sure it closed. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the scissor and then cut it in the middle. Wow. So here I have the first one. So just make it like this to make sure it closed very good. I don't want it to open while it's baking. Here we go. Just open these like the flower, like the real one. And now the rose is ready. I'm going to put it here. Take the second one, close it or tie it very good from here. Try to open it like so. They look so beautiful. Here I have some and I'm going to show you another one, and I'm going to preheat my oven in this time. So while when you prepare the dough, just make sure to leave it to rest. Leave the dough to rest for at least half an hour. We need another 2. Okay. Okay, here I have one and another one and another one. So we need 3. Put za'atar in the middle. Start rolling it like so. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to cut it in half, so then I could have 2 roses. Wow. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Okay, so after I finished the beautiful roses, so now what I'm going to do, I preheated my oven on 200 Celsius. So I'm going to bake this tray or these beautiful roses for about 10 minutes or between 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you after that. Okay guys, here we go. This is the roses. They took 10 minutes in the oven and they look so beautiful. So as I told you, I'm going to list down the recipe for this dough at the end of the video, so you can just check it. You have to prepare it and then leave it 1 hour or half an hour to rest. After that, you can just prepare these roses and then bake it in the oven straight away, so you don't need to let it to rest again. Wow, let me leave this one here. Oh wow, wow. They're so beautiful, so beautiful. Look at the dough from inside. It's so puffy. Wow. Look. So cute. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you like this, you know, Zaatar Roses puff or Zaatar Roses bread. So stay tuned and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.